Yo, today, man, it's one of them days, man. I had got something in the mail a couple days ago. If you watch my Instagram story, you probably seen it on my story. But I'm going to review it today, straight out the package. Haven't worn it, haven't taken the picture in it. So basically, it's brand new, straight out the box, right? I got the packaging, I got everything with it. And let me show you what it is, man. So, if you new to the video, man, give this video a thumbs up, man. Subscribe, man. Comment down below, man. This nigga's ice cream at 6 o'clock, man. Get your bitch ass on. Hold on, y'all. Taking the gift for this. Man, you childish, man. Alright, man. So, what's good, y'all? So, man, yes, sir. Got this in the mail, man. I got this off-white hoodie, man. Y'all see the, y'all see the pack, y'all see the packaging. Oh, I think on like Farfetch, it's like, I think it's like 300-400. I may be wrong. So, I don't know. I ordered this from Farfetch, y'all. Ordered this from Farfetch like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Just not came, man. Came a couple days ago. Came like on the day before my birthday, on the 22nd, on that Saturday. So it came in the mail. And let me open it up for y'all. Oh, shit. The X kind of right there. You see it though? Oh my God. It's nice, ain't it? It's nice though, man. Got the off right there. You know what I'm saying? Man, label, you know what I'm saying? Strings right here, man. Hoodie ain't gotta be too big, cause I ain't gonna put it on anyway. Yeah, like that. Arrows on the side, man. Look off right here, man. For some reason, ain't got no pockets though. It's kind of shady right there, man. I'll let that one breathe. Alright, y'all. Yeah, all black, man. And guess what I've been seeing? Things. I've been seeing things, man. TM right there, man. Don't play, man. Trademark, man. Off-white, man. And it comes with little, I think they got on the shoe. You feel me? Whatever this is, man. There's a little off-white right here, man. You know. I got the little tag, man. The little off-white tag to go with it, man. It's nice right here. Heat right here, y'all. Yeah. Heat right here. Yeah. I can wear this with my off-white belt. I'm showing my off-white belt now. Got the all black one too, though. I'm gonna show y'all a little fit with it, with the belt, and then I'm gonna see how y'all feel. Y'all can rate my little drip in the comments, man. Show me am I dripping or not. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the try on real quick, and let's get straight into it. Let's go. All right, y'all. So you see the belt? That's the hoodie, man. I see it. Yeah. I see it. Yeah. We ain't gonna talk about that. Got a little strap though, but it's straight though. Let me get to the bottom and show y'all. Yeah, I just threw it on with some little jeans right here. Off-white belt, man. Right here. Off the honey. Off the 700s, man. Man, tell me I ain't dripping. Welcome to your girl looking like this. She going with me, dog. Sorry. I know though, but yeah, this is my little off-white hoodie, man. I had to show y'all how it looked, you know. I'm seeing things. Rate the drip though, man. Rate the drip. Tell me my dripping right now. Rate the fit 1 through 10, man. Tell me my dripping though. But yeah, man, that's the end of the video, man. If you made it this far to the video, man, I really appreciate y'all, man. Thanks for, I'm about to grind, man. I'm about to put so many videos. I got to keep up. Turn your post notifications on, man. Yes, I'm talking to you. You know who I'm talking to. You watching me, dog. But yeah, man, turn your post notifications on, man. I post all bangers. I'm going out of town. I'm going to Las Vegas. I'm gonna do a vlog. I'm probably gonna do like 1 vlog, maybe 2. Do a little vlog. And then I'm gonna do some public interviews down there, some challenges, some some stuff down there. I'm gonna post some videos on there for sure. But yeah, though, man, thanks for watching, man. Give this video a thumbs up, man. Comment down below, man. Subscribe to the video. You already know what's in with me, though. Yeah. Thanks for watching, man. I really appreciate y'all. Keep supporting, keep subscribing, keep doing everything, man. I love y'all, and let's get straight into it.